Alright, let's set up Hotcorners on your Mac to make your workflow slicker. It's all done in System Settings, and I'll throw in how to use modifier keys to avoid accidental triggers. Hotcorners in macOS are a game changer for boosting productivity. It lets you trigger actions like Mission Control, Desktop, or Screen Saver by moving your mouse to a screen corner. Simply open System Settings, or System Preferences, if you're on an older macOS version. Scroll down to Desktop and Dock in the sidebar and click it. Scroll to the bottom of that panel, and you'll see a button labeled Hotcorners. Click it. A little window pops up showing the 4 corners of your screen. Each corner has a drop-down menu. Click a drop-down to pick an action for that corner, like Mission Control, see all open windows, the application windows, show windows for the current app, Desktop, clear screen to show desktop, Notification Center, Launchpad, Quick Note, Start Screen Saver, Put Display to Sleep, Lock Screen. Now, choose what you want for each corner, or leave some as dash for no action. It's a fast, no-click shortcut that keeps your workflow smooth, especially if you're juggling multiple tasks or hate cluttering your dock with icons. Now here is the pro tip. Add modifier keys. To avoid accidentally triggering a hot corner when your mouse drifts to a corner, hold down a modifier key, or combo, while picking an action from the drop-down. Options are Shift, Control, Option, or Command. For example, set Mission Control to the top left corner with Control held down. Now, that corner only activates when you hold Control and move your mouse there. Mix and match modifiers for extra control. Without a modifier, brushing your mouse against a corner can accidentally pop open Mission Control or your Screen Saver. Super annoying if you're in the middle of something. By requiring a key like Control or Option, you ensure the action only happens when you mean it. For example, set the top right corner to show the desktop, but only when you hold Shift. No more accidental desktop reveals when your cursor wanders. Test different combos to find what feels natural. Control or Option are popular since they're less likely to conflict with other shortcuts. After setting it up, test by holding your chosen modifier keys and moving your mouse to the corner. If it doesn't trigger as expected, double-check the modifier in the Hotcorners menu. This trick makes Hotcorners a ninja-level productivity tool, keeping your actions intentional and your workspace clean. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.